Hey guys, welcome to Sony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to stop autoplay in Facebook. But before we start, hurry up and check out our latest offer just under this video. So let's get started. So first thing that we have to do here is we have to open up our Facebook mobile application. So once you've opened up Facebook, go ahead and click on the three bar icon that you see at the top right of your screen. And from here, we want to go ahead and look for settings and privacy. So it's going to be located at the very bottom. So it's going to be hidden in this section here. And just click on settings and privacy. So in this case, it's going to give you other settings here, but just click on the settings option there. Just click on it, and from here you want to scroll down a bit until you see the whole preference section. So in this case, we want to go ahead and click on media since autoplay function for Facebook is hidden under media. Now from here, what you need to do is you need to look for the options for autoplay. So we have three options here. We have on mobile data and Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only, and never autoplay videos. So by default, the on mobile data and Wi-Fi option is going to be the options that's going to be by default enabled on our account. So whenever using mobile data or Wi-Fi, it's going to basically autoplay videos on Facebook. Now, if you want to stop this, just select the option that says never autoplay videos, and it's going to basically start saving that option, and you can just basically start using Facebook as you would. Just exit the settings section and go to Facebook and start using it as you would normally would. And that's how you stop autoplay in Facebook. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.